So we're going on a mini getaway to Connecticut. We chose Connecticut because it's close to home and also because we really want to try some good food.
And also because they have great lobster rolls such as Lenny's.
Yeah, so we want to try their restaurant and go to the beach and just relax a little bit. So stay tuned. So we're now back at the hotel. We were pretty exhausted, but we had a great time. We ended up going to Bear's Smokehouse Barbecue, and we had some delicious ribs. Food was pretty amazing. I got to spend some time with my sister and nephew. Now we are here getting ready for bed and looking forward for tomorrow's breakfast and the rest of the day. Hey guys, we just woke up. I'm not a morning person, and we went to get breakfast from the hotel. The breakfast looks really, really good. I'll show you guys in a minute. So the plan today was to go to the beach and spend like our afternoon there, but it seems like it's really cloudy right now. I don't think we'd be able to do that, so we may have to look into something else. We definitely look forward to go to Lenny's for lunch and get some lobster rolls because we are like really looking forward to that. That was like one of the reasons we came here, aside from just celebrating my birthday. But we're gonna have to look into something else to do and just enjoy the rest of the day. So we're finally heading out, and I think we decided to go to a park just to take some photos, and then from there we'll go get some lunch, and then we'll go to the vineyard. Excited. So we just walked the waterfront, and there's so many food trucks. They seem to have a whole variety of like cuisine, and it looks so good, but we are not trying the food truck now because we're going to Lenny's, and that is a place that we're dying to try and just have some lobster rolls. That's like, we love lobster rolls, something that we look forward to. Are you looking forward?
Oh yeah, of course.
So we're very excited. So guys, we just left Lenny and Joe's Fish Tail restaurant, and the lobster rolls were so good.
Look into the Google reviews, and they had like really good reviews, so that's what brought us here.
They were so buttery, creamy. We recommend this place a lot. Prior to coming here, we looked into the Google reviews, and they had like really good reviews, so that's what brought us here. And our expectations were met, and we were very happy with the food, and the portions are big. They fill you up, so that's great. And now we're heading to a vineyard.
All right, Lily, so how's your day going?
Well, I can complain. I'm enjoying some great wine and delicious fruits and cheese. It's been such a great mini getaway. I've been enjoying it so much. It always makes it so memorable and special.
I hope you're having a great time and to many, many more.
Cheers. So we off to dinner. We came back from Lenny's, from having lunch. We went to a vineyard. I don't recall the name. We had a great time and now ready for dinner. So yeah, we cannot wait to get some tuna tartare and try some delicious food. We've been eating all day. This is like our thing, so definitely excited for that. And this is my outfit.
Gotta make a wish, Lily.
Okay. I'm ready.
I want the Lambo in blue, by the way.
Yeah, you did.
Excellent. Get first digs.
Guys, so this is our last day in the hotel. We're about to check out and about to head out for some breakfast and then just head back to New York. But we had a great time. It was definitely so much fun and I'm very happy for this mini getaway. Alrighty guys, so now we're heading back from our mini getaway and we had such a great time. We really did. It was a great birthday weekend. I feel like it was more like a foodie mini getaway because we tried a variety of locations and restaurants. So they were really good. We can't complain. It really met our expectations. Really fell in love with the buttery lobster rolls. They were so good. And we're now heading home. We had a great time.
Shell and bone was good.
And of course, like out of all the places that we tried, our dinner last night was the bomb. Was like great.
Shell and bone, that shrimp and scallops.
Their food was pretty amazing. I highly recommend it. Every plate that we tried was delicious. So, such a great restaurant. It was pretty much like the highlight of this trip.
No, I think the lobster roll was the highlight because I mean that's what really pushed us to Connecticut because we googled up, best lobster rolls.
Yeah, I think the lobster rolls and the restaurant for dinner last night was definitely the go-to for us.
Yeah.
So we really enjoyed it. And that's it. We're just now heading home. We're quite tired. And thank you so much for watching.